Best deals.
1. Mop. 38 cm long mop strands, covers a wider area in one go, improving cleaning speed and efficiency while providing better reach along edges and baseboards. Durable microfiber refill absorbs 2x more water and dirt than standard mops, with zero streaks or dripping. Lightweight, easy to use, and effective for daily mopping of Indian-style living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and balconies. Mop reaches into corners and fine crevices for a spotless finish. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Oil dispenser bottle is made from high-quality, tough glass with a 2.7 mm thickness. The sturdy construction resists breakage, making it ideal for everyday use in both home and professional kitchens. The transparent design allows easy monitoring of oil levels. The silicone oil brush with container is designed for smooth, even oil application without scratching non-stick surfaces. The brush is made from food-grade platinum silicone that is heat-resistant, odor-free, and easy to clean. It sits securely inside the cap for quick and hygienic use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Containers. Optimize your kitchen storage with our under-shelf containers, turning unused space into valuable storage. The hanging design keeps your countertop clutter-free and organized. Enjoy hassle-free setup with 3 MVHB tape, providing a secure hold without damaging your walls. Airtight lids ensure your grains and other dry foods stay fresh. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Spoon stand. Offers separate sections for spoons, forks, knives, and chopsticks, helping keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Designed for tabletop use, the stand provides a stable and accessible storage solution, perfect for keeping utensils within easy reach on your kitchen counter. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Egg pan. Perfect for frying multiple eggs or pancakes simultaneously, ensuring even cooking and beautifully shaped results every time. Ideal for making omelets, bacon, burgers, dumplings, and more. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stove tops. Designed for comfort and safety, the wooden handle stays cool to the touch, providing a secure grip for easy handling. Crafted from high-quality cast iron. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Toothbrush holder. This premium stainless steel toothbrush holder brings luxury and organization to your bathroom. Polished to perfection, it elevates your space while acting as an ideal toothbrush holder. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Metal rake. Is made longer for less bending down and less fatigue during long time work. The 21.10 inches larger head of garden rake collects more debris with each pass efficiently. Adjust garden rake head at any width easily in seconds by turning the green lock anytime. The rake is made from high-quality steel so it is both strong and lightweight. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Collapsible laundry bag. Is made from linen and other high-quality materials, offering resistance to impact and breakage. It is easy to clean. The foldable structure with a built-in handle allows this wall-mounted laundry basket to fit into tight spaces. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Measuring spoon. Simply slide handle to adjust volume measurement. Measures wet ingredients from 1 ml up to 15 ml. Measures dry ingredients from 1/4 teaspoon up to 1 tablespoon. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Salad spinner. Interchangeable discs for easy use. Simply insert the required disc into the lathe to switch between slicing, spiralizing, grating, or spinning, making kitchen prep fast and efficient. A versatile set for effortless vegetable prep, onion slicing, and salad creation. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Bathroom shelves. Made from heavy-duty plastic that lasts and lasts. These bathroom shelves not only hold all your toiletries with ease, they make the bathroom look that much better. The product can easily take a load of up to 5 kg. Also, it has no adverse effect of even continuous running water over it. Waterproof and high load bearing capacity. Once installed on any smooth and flat surface, quick installation in a minute. No extra tool required for installation. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Hamburger press is made of 304 stainless steel, food grade and rust proof. The edges of the burger press are edged for smoother and high quality sturdy materials that are durable and easy to make burgers. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Faucet. Flexible faucet extension for kitchen sink that allows easy cleaning of utensils, vegetables, and sink corners. Works as a multi-purpose kitchen tool and home gadget. Choose from jet, shower, or mixed mode for different needs, perfect for washing vegetables, cleaning sink, or gentle flow for water saving. Fits most sink taps for kitchen basin, wash basin, or bathroom faucets. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Butter dish. Built-in magnetic strip keeps the butter knife securely attached. Transparent airtight lid protects butter from dust, odors, and moisture while keeping it fresh for longer. Fits standard-sized butter blocks and provides a smooth surface for easy spreading without mess. Made from premium food-grade plastic, lightweight yet sturdy, and simple to wash by hand or in the dishwasher. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Saucepan is made from natural Maffan stone, ensuring toxin-free cooking with minimal oil, ideal for daily tea, pasta, and soup preparation. Includes a stainless steel steamer insert, perfect for steaming vegetables, pasta, dumplings, or reheating food, offering versatile cooking options. The tempered glass lid lets you monitor your food while cooking, maintaining moisture and flavor with a built-in steam release vent. Designed with a comfortable, cool touch wooden handle, the small pot ensures safe handling and easy pouring while cooking tea, soup, or pasta. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Grill. Multifunctional cast iron bake pot suitable for roasting, baking sweet potatoes, and more. Made of high-quality cast iron for excellent heat retention and distribution. Spacious 25 cm diameter and 10 cm depth, perfect for family meals. Weighs 3.5 kg for sturdy grip and effortless transfer from oven to table. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Funnels. Made of premium quality silicone, our kitchen funnel set is environmentally friendly and 100% food grade safe. Suitable for various containers, mason jars. They will meet all filling needs for your family, makes your kitchen and work areas will remain clean and tidy. Ultra easy to keep clean even from oil, a simple wash with warm water and add little soap or put it in the dishwasher. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Spatula. On-pot sticks onto your pot lid, so you can easily rest the lid on the edge of your pot. Clever design always rests the lid at the perfect angle so condensation and food splatter drips back into your pot. On-pot is designed to stay stuck to your pot lid so it's always there whenever you need it. High heat resistant materials are safe up to 170 degrees Celsius, it's heat resistant and dishwasher safe. Suitable for pot lids up to 25 cm in diameter, it's easy to hold and use, has an excellent grip, it's flexible and offers durability. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Containers are made of high-quality borosilicate glass, food grade, safe and durable, thick glass, sturdy, crystal, easy to clean, reusable, containers with measurement, clear scale, no fading. Delicate, mini cute, portable, clear at glance. Thick bottom, stable. The edge of glass food jar is round and smooth. These durable containers are stackable, pretty well when storing, easily fit into your refrigerator, freezer or cupboard, which allows you to get your pantry or fridge organized, saves space. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Mixing bowl. Innovative design allows individual elements within the set to be stacked neatly together, occupies the absolute minimum amount of space. Mixing bowls have large non-slip bases and wide carry handles. The enhanced design allows the individual elements within each set to be stacked neatly together. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Knife block. Each knife in this premium knife set for kitchen with stand features a weighted handle and a built-in tool rest that keeps the blade elevated, preventing direct contact with your kitchen surface. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Mortar and pestle set is individually crafted by skilled artisans using natural marble, making it unique and durable. No two pieces are exactly alike, giving you a one-of-a-kind product that reflects your personal taste and style. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Dish drying rack. Crafted from rust-resistant, heavy-gauge stainless steel that holds heavy utensils, plates, and vessels without bending. This kitchen rack stand is designed for everyday Indian kitchen use with a sturdy frame and balanced legs that keep the rack stable even when fully loaded. Built to last for years without rusting or deforming. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Peeler. Whether you are peeling vegetables or fruits, a multipurpose peeler is the ultimate kitchen tool, offering professional results with every use. Peeler functions as a 3-in-1 peeler, offering julienne, serrated, and wavy edge peeling capabilities for all your kitchen needs. The straight-edged quickly slices carrots or potatoes, the serrated makes effectively peeling mangoes, peaches, and other fruits, and the julienne blade is really convenient to julienne vegetables. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Vegetable chopper. This 1500 ml vegetable chopper easily handles bulk chopping and mixing of vegetables, fruits, and other ingredients with its generous capacity. A simple shake or twist of the chopper allows you to effortlessly chop ingredients into evenly sized pieces without manual labor thanks to the sharp stainless steel blades. In addition to chopping vegetables like onions, the versatile chopper can also shred, slice, dice and mix ingredients for soups, salads, sauces and more. Made from durable ABS plus PET plastic and high-grade stainless steel, the chopper is built to last through heavy home kitchen use. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Pan. Has a round bottom for stir-frying, comfortable rosewood handles fixed on sturdy stainless steel brackets which are permanently riveted to the pan. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Cutlery tray. Hold all your kitchen utensils, cutlery, and flatware invisible in the drawer. This cutlery tray has 10 large compartments. The plastic tray is great for cutlery in the kitchen drawer. The utensil tray is made from durable plastic, which is strong and rust resistant. The food-safe finish on all surfaces and gentle for cutlery. This cutlery divider is not only to be used as an organizer but to make your kitchen more beautiful. Organizer is not only limited to kitchen use, you can also use it as a silverware organizer for keeping your precious jewelry, or for organizing office supplies, cosmetics, art supplies, personal accessories, manual tools, makeup accessories and much more. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Coffee mug. Earth-friendly and sustainable Icon mug is extremely lightweight and impact-resistant to withstand everyday use and a perfect alternative to plastic, glass, and ceramic glasses. Modernly designed mugs are available in 9 earthy colors for a touch of style. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Tray. Wraps around your sofa, recliner armrest, and you can serve food, drink, wine, whiskey with ease. Can also be used to serve food on bed table. This product is 100% made in India with real teak wood. Thanks to the high-quality coating, you can simply clean it with a damp cloth. Keep your drink, food, on the tray, without the fear of stain. Wooden tray allows you to put everything, coffee, wine, beer, snacks, remote, phone, you need within arm's distance as you sink into your sofa and enjoy movies or live sports. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Organizer box. Save space and stay organized. These stackable boxes come with a strong magnetic front door, allowing easy opening while keeping dust and moisture out. Ideal for men's and women's footwear, these oversized boxes can store big size sneakers, heels, boots, or sports shoes comfortably. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Tweezers. Ideal for flipping, gripping, and serving roti, chapati, papad, appalam, bread, and more. 12-inch length provides excellent reach and control while cooking. Wide tip ensures a secure grip on food items, making it easier to handle delicate or small items. Made from high-quality stainless steel for durability and safety. Ergonomic handle, designed for a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Can be used as tongs, forceps, chimta, chimti, chipya, or pakad, making it a must-have tool in every kitchen. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Vegetable Storage Containers Set. Crafted with a premium ABS outer shell and food-grade silicone film, these fruit and vegetable storage boxes feature ergonomic edges with protrusions for easy opening and a high elasticity, soft silicone lid for secure sealing. Vibrant, color-coded containers help reduce fridge clutter, making it easier to identify fruits. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Spoon. Highly versatile cooking utensils and serving wooden spatula set, made from high-quality wood. Each wooden cooking spoons and spatula in this kitchen utensils set measures 12 to 14 inches. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Bottles. Crafted from high-quality plastic, ensuring durability, sturdiness, and long-lasting use. The transparent design allows for easy visibility of contents, making it convenient to monitor product levels. Ideal for everyday use, these bottles withstand the wear and tear of travel or daily handling, making them a reliable choice for storing your essential lotions and creams. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Electric Dosa Maker Machine. Prepare a variety of dosa, chilla, pancakes, crepes, parantha, uttapam, omelets and many more dishes with this Glen dosa maker having cooking area of 30 centimeters. Easy to clean non-stick coated cooking plate. Adjustable temperature control to choose different levels of heat settings as per the requirement. Prepare fresh and hygienic dosas, chilla, paratha, omelette and many more dishes. Product link is given in the 35th link.